Okay, you guys, here is another failed business in Peoria. This was a El Catracho Honduras restaurant bar with a Chinese buffet. That's funny. Whoops. Mexican restaurant with a Chinese buffet. Wow, never heard of that. Maybe that's why they didn't last. Look at that roof. It's coming apart. Oops. And that's all sealed up. That door. And we have the building. It's missing its sign right there. And I'm not seeing any windows in this place, and it's all boarded up right there. So we also have in the same parking lot Mandy's Fish and Chips, Shrimp Gyro, Family Steaks, Hamburgers, Hot Wings, and Thrifty Ice Cream. And that is that building. Over here